महाराष्ट्र समाजसेवा संघ संचलित रचना विद्यालय उपक्रम सादर करते कीर्ती गायकवाड. My topic: Science and me with scientific game. Myself, Kirti Gaikwad. While teaching in the class, I was teaching S1 as well as S2 for 9th and 10th. But during teaching, I observed that children of 9th and 10th were confused for certain topics. When I talked with them, I noticed that they were confused about study of hydrocarbon, how to memorize the sequence of elements, how to keep it in mind the diagram of heart, kidney, and even their function. How does exactly heart work and etc. I was thinking about it, that how can I deal with it. So I went to the lab and I observed Geoboard. So I strike an idea. Let us see what was the idea about. I took Geoboard, some magnets, and took the cap of Bisleri bottle. I put POP in that bottle's cap and embedded the magnet in it. And finally, you can see the caps of Bisleri, and children are attaching those magnet to the Geoboard, and so the concept of innovation was fulfilled here. In this, I colored few cap of bottle black and named them carbon C, and I colored few of them blue and named them H, hydrogen. And in this way, children assembled C with H, either with single bond, either with double bond, or either with triple bond to form various hydrocarbons. Children started playing with this geoboard and magnet, and they started quiz in the class. They divided the class into two parts, and they used to ask any hydrocarbon, and other team has to place all carbon and hydrogen together on the geoboard to show the whatever is asked to them. In this way, children learn hydrocarbon with play and learn method, and they are enjoying it in school. With this same topic, I even explain the name of hydrocarbon by using simple technique. I told them to learn these keywords, which are meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec. In this, if they by heart this, that meth is having 1, eth is having 2 carbon number. So in this way, they can by heart all hydrocarbon easily, and they can name it themselves. For studying alkane, if they add ANE to these keywords, that is meth plus ANE will give you methane, eth plus ANE will give you ethane, prop plus ANE will give you propane, and so on. Similarly, while studying alkene, if they add ENE to keywords, they will get eth plus ENE ethene, prop plus ENE propene, but plus ENE butane, and so on till decane. Similarly, while studying alkyne, if you add YNE to the keywords, you will eth plus YNE will give you ethyne, prop plus YNE will give you propyne, and but plus YNE will give you butane. Here, if children study these sentence by heart, they can easily remember first 10 elements of modern periodic table. Here, hi, hello, Linith, Binith brought cashew nut on Friday night. If hi, HY is written, that is hydrogen 1, helium He 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, and neon 10. If children by heart this sentence, simultaneously they can learn so many concepts such as their formula in sequence, their atomic number in sequence, their electronic configuration in sequence, as well as which is metal and which is non-metal, which is metal. Elements with 1, 2 and 3 electron in the outermost shell are called as metals. Elements with electron 5, 6 and 7 electron in the outermost orbit are called as non-metals. Elements with 4 electron in their outermost orbit are called as non-metalloids, and elements with 7 electron in their outermost orbit are called as halogens. Whereas element with 8 electron in their outermost orbit are called as noble or inert gas. If children learn it by heart, it will be easy for them to learn. My second innovation was I took a cardboard and draw a huge heart and kidney on it and cut it into several parts and then colored it, and after drying the colors I laminated each part separately and then I distributed the parts into the children and they started. See what they did.
टीचर
चला लेबल करा, नावं सांगा. हां बरोबर. हां ब्लॅडर करेक्ट. पुढे सांग पटकन. युरेथ्रा, युरेटर काय? व्हेरी गुड. Many teachers complained that there was tremendous noise in my class, but the noise was not of talking, rubbish talking, but they used to discuss it, and all the talking was only about group discussion of how the function is going on of heart or kidney or what is the name of that particular part. In this way, students played. I know, we all know that children like solving puzzles. So this idea basically come from that puzzles, that if children love puzzle, why not to learn heart by using puzzle method. That's why it is scientific game. Previously students were very under pressure that how to learn heart or how to learn the function of heart, kidney, but after playing this game they gradually used to tell each part function and then they used to attach it to the puzzle. So in this way both my aims were fulfilled, that let them play and let them learn together. This was okay for normal children. महाराष्ट्र समाज सेवा संघ संचलित रचना विद्यालय नासिक. It has integrated scheme where hearing impaired students are studying. Let us see whether my project is applicable there. या मुलांना ऐकू येत नाही तरीही ते काही सोडवायचा प्रयत्न करतात.
Tudo com.
đây đây cái đây để vận tải
ए खूप छान लावलं तुम्ही. ए
हिंदी में
टाळ्या वाजवा. The confidence they get after attaching each and every part of the puzzle, and finally when they form the complete heart, they were so happy, and I asked them to clap. They were really happy. This was the another part when I took the Geoboard for them and I explained them. They can't speak, but still they were having lots of doubt. They asked me. With their special teacher's help, I cleared those doubt by showing them Geoboard and how to arrange them on the Geoboard. Even these kids were very active in this session. Just see, it is group activity and they are trying to solve it together. This is another innovation. Basically, it is for smaller children for 5th standard, 6th standard. Digestive system. Our human digestive system, various parts were done of cloth and it was attached to the apron. And the apron was given to a student and he roamed in the class, and each part was given with different colors to various children in the class. So children assembled and they formed digestive system. While attaching each part, each child have to explain the function of that part and even name of that part and where it is exactly placed between two organs. They are supposed to tell the names of those organs. My school children were very happy. Now let us see what about other schools. Very good. काय बनवलं तुम्ही हे? C2H म्हणजे काय? I meet these students at Kopargaon during science exhibition. Even those children were very happy. They greeted me that hydrocarbon was never taught in such an interesting way ever. Very good. काय बनवले तुम्ही हे? नाव सांग. किती कार्बन आहेत?
6 कार्बन, 2 कार्बन आहे आणि 6 हायड्रोजन आहे.
काय बनवलं? मी तुम्हाला काय सांगितलं होतं?
इथेन.